Alright, so the general rule of a circle, okay, is alright. Now the H and the K, and this is where I've seen it in this book, and I was talking about it in another video about the translation along the x-axis and the translation along the y-axis. Okay, so this guy is in the x-axis, this guy is in the y-axis, so they're moving things. Okay, so same thing we've talked about before, you're going to flip the sign when you bring them out, alright, and go about it like that. Now, R is the radius, because we're talking circles. Okay, so R is the radius. So, where do circles normally get centered? They are normally, and I'm going to try and write centered. I still think that's right.
That's what I was
I reckon it's that way too.
You want an E? You reckon?
I
talking about more. Because
That's
in Australia we write
I don't know how to spell centered.
Alright.
Stupid.
Centered around 0, 0. So if you are moving a circle of radius 1, okay, it's still centered around 0, 0 until you move it. Alright. So for example, we've got some examples. I'm going to do question 7. Let's do 7E. Okay, we'll skip over a whole heap. We'll do question 7E. X plus 3 cubed plus y plus 2. That should be a squared, you numpty. Squared equals 25. Alright. So,
I was going to say that's squared.
so, what am I doing? Given what we just talked about, what do I need to do?
I'm going to move it.
So move left 3.
So left 3.
So move down 2.
Do we reverse it in that?
You said to reverse.
I'm pretty sure we do. If it's in brackets, you reverse it. Alright, and what's my radius?
It's 5.
Okay, so when we sketch it, okay, we're going to be moving 3 that way. So then we're going to move 2 down. Okay, and then we're going to have a radius of 5. So if we've moved 3, I'm going to come out to about there, there, and of course I'm going to sketch a lovely circle. Alright,
So pretty.
that's beautiful, isn't it? Can I make a suggestion? Bring your mathemat. So that's how you do circles, alright? Sometimes they'll ask you to work backwards. Alright, so if we sketch a graph, so let's have a look at...
Oh, so... Okay.
Then you gotta figure out what
That
it
makes
is.
sense.
Yeah, we
Alright,
did
So-
look at the radius and then.
so I have one, it's not a question per se.
That's
Draw
really
that up
bad.
Alright, I'm going to draw a circle that does something like that. I'm so pro at this.
I got a mathematics one.
Alright,
Yeah, question 5 you can do this.
alright, so this is actually a graph from question 6. Okay, it's not a strict question per se, but it is a graph from question 6. So, what are we centered around?
Minus 3. No, it's not.
Yeah, so we're centered around minus 3. Ooh,
Minus 3, 1.
minus 3, 1. So what does that mean to my rule?
It means that your rule will be plus 3 and then the minus 1 on the other.
Let's see.
Alright, and what's my radius?
Your radius will be
3? Yeah, 3.
1 to 4, so yeah.
Alright, so don't forget to square it. Okay, don't forget to put the squared on it when you do that. So the final one is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 9. Okay, so if you are asked to go backwards, that's how you go about it.